Hello everyone. Today is 30th August. Want to share something with you about headlight warranty claim. So before that, see what happens when you ride in rain. All the dirt, it comes till here. Okay, but I enjoy a lot riding in rain. So let me stop the engine. Okay, so I want to show you my broken pilot lamp housing. Okay, had to stop the video because of some background noise, so I just cleaned it. So see, this happened. I noticed this. You can see this pilot lamp housing was broken. I noticed this on 13th of August while cleaning the glass, cleaning my bike in the morning. So see, the outer glass is perfectly fine. I never opened it. I never changed the lamp, so it's stock. And how did it break? It's a wonder. Probably due to the heat this generates, the light generates, and also the off-roading. Maybe the combination of both. So one thing, never clean the glass with dry cloth. Always use wet cloth and plenty of water, could be, probably. So yeah, today I got a call back from the service center that the warranty claim paperwork's all done. So it took 2 weeks, and obviously that depends on the service center, the availability of the parts. So I'm going to head to the service center now to get this replaced. So my bike is 4 months, 1 week old, so pretty new, and this was probably due to the poor quality of the part or something else. Anyway, see you at the service center. Okay, here I am at the Royal Enfield service center. So my bike is inside. Let's see. Here it is. Just look at it. It is shining. Thank you, Royal Enfield, for replacing it. Well, it was your job. So I thought they will just change this part, but this entire headlight housing is replaced. So it's brand new, it's shining. Look at the rest of the bike, so dirty, but the job done. It's a thumbs up.